You guys, I come bearing good news today. By the way, Nelo here with a very beautiful face. You guys already know, okay? See, just start telling me I'm fine because I'm feeling this makeup today and this hair, everything just looking peng, okay? Anyways, I come bearing good news today. So if you're traveling to PH or if you already stay in Port Harcourt and you're just looking for a home away from home, you're looking for somewhere to just have your friends around, do sleepovers, or even if you're looking for where to like host your guests, if you're having a wedding and you want all your guests to stay under one roof, or you even want somewhere you can host like your bridal shower or baby shower, but no parties allowed, but you can host like very chilled get-togethers, then I bring you good news because the Chandler Stay Apartments, there you go to. Let me just explain, okay? If you've been on this channel, you watched Loudly Woman, you watched the first few episodes that dropped, you will see the beautiful space that I filmed Loudly Woman. This is the space, okay? I'm currently in one of the apartments right now and I'm going to give you guys a tour real quick, but I just want to tell you that the possibilities are endless. What you can do here is completely endless if you like comfort, okay? If you like somewhere you can get good pictures where every angle is a hit, okay? Literally every angle is a hit. Look at the lighting now. Look at the lights I'm filming this video with. Every angle is a hit. I know if you don't want the hassle of hotel rooms and the limited space, if you want somewhere you can carry your children and go and cook your indomie in peace, cook that rice and warm that stew in peace without your children disturbing the whole community, then this is your go-to space. And if you're in Port Harcourt, trust me, this is somewhere you want to check out, okay? Chandler Stay Apartments.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit your fist, but it hit the fan when I got him down and pinched. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my...
So I'm currently in one of the units and this is called the Clear unit, and I'm about to give you guys a very quick tour of this beautiful space that you need to come and check out for yourself. Okay, let me go on and give you guys a tour. I'll be telling you guys as we go on. So when you enter the front door, this is the front door. When you enter it, the first door you're going to see here is your visitor's toilet or your toilet or whatever they call it these days. So it looks like this. It's very beautiful, very perfect. That's my beautiful face. You guys know any opportunity to show you my face, I must take it. Yeah, this one, Sha. Next, we're going to see the living space. Okay, this living space is so beautiful. I love the colors. Like, I love pop of colors. I love rooms that have pop of colors. And those windows, they are so wide. If you know me, you know I like bright spaces. I love large windows. I like waking up every morning, just opening up the blinds and just letting natural light to just come in. Okay, you guys can see the windows. They are very, very large, very beautiful. I love the curtain. I love the colors as well. It's like nude with a pop of color. Get like that's my vibe. If you know me, you know that's my vibe. It has to be nude with a pop of color or with pops of colors that go together. That's exactly what this place is. Over here we have the dining area for your family dining or dining with your friends or games nights with your friends. And I love all the furnitures in this space, like every single one of them. They are all so clean and so simple, so minimalist. It's giving the minimalist vibe. And that's my vibe, okay? The furnitures are also beautiful. You guys, when I tell you that every angle is a picture angle, believe me, every angle is a picture angle. And let me also tell you guys, before we continue this tour, you can actually be an agent, okay, for this apartment. You can register as an agent. And what that means is, if customers come through you, you actually get paid per night that they stay here, okay? When you come, talk to them. They will give you all the information that you need. You can get people, like say your family members are even coming here or you have friends that want to do something here. If they register through you, you get money and you're not even staying here, but you're still getting paid. So that's a plus. Check that out. I'm going to leave all the contact, all the details you need is going to be in my description box down below, okay? You guys, these rooms are also beautiful. beautiful. I love the colors. I like that this particular apartment we're inside is like blue and yellow and nudes. Absolutely gorgeous. This room is so beautiful, and all the rooms, they have really, really good lighting. So like, if you open up your windows, you can, like, endless possibilities. If you're a YouTuber and you're staying here, trust me, you're gonna film video in every single angle. This is literally one angle for filming, and I think this angle itself is even better because the lighting here is blinding. Okay, so you see here, this lighting is a lot. This is another filming angle. This bed feels so comfy. I just want to lie down and be sleeping. By the way, I don't know if I have mentioned, but this is where we're going to be doing with chill with Ada and Nelo. By the time you're seeing this video, chill must have finished chilling by the time you're seeing this video. But this is where we're going to be doing it, so you guys get what we mean now when we say it's a very chilled vibe. It's just like friends coming together to gist and chill. Okay, so we wanted somewhere with a very chill vibe, and we booked this place. Also, you guys, when you refer 5 people, you get 1 night free. Okay, so even if you're not an agent, you can still benefit. And trust me, that is a lot for how much this place goes for. Imagine getting 1 night free in this beautiful place. Do you know what you can do here? Do you know all the enjoyment you are going to be able to have here, all the fun you're going to have here? If you know people that want to stay in a place like this, if you know someone doing wedding or someone having any event in PH and looking for where they can put their guests, refer them here. Okay, the more people you refer, the more free nights you get. You guys, this is also another room. This room is bigger than the first room that I showed you guys. This room is beautiful. This room is giving like matured vibe. It's giving like black and white matured vibe. Okay, so if you don't like colors, this room is for you, but it's still so beautiful. I love that the curtain is like, should I call it baby pink? It's a very nice, like, subtle color. I don't even think it's going to translate in camera, but it's very nice and subtle. And I love all the, it's not bulb, what they call light covers, all the light covers that they use, also cute.
1 time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute, parachute. 1 time out of 10, 4 times on the state lines. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline. Sky high, feel the wind. 5 times won't you be.
I'm currently in the kitchen, and this kitchen is so beautiful. Can you guys see this lighting? Everywhere is just so bright and airy, and the fresh air coming into this place is just so divine. To be honest, I love this space. I've actually used them 2 times now as of the time you are watching this video. So this is not just me telling you, oh, go and rent this space, is nice. I have actually used them twice. So trust me when I say this is your go-to space. This should be your go-to space for anything. Anything you usually go to hotel for in the past, cancel it, start coming here. You guys, if you're staying long, if you're staying for up to 10 nights, you're also going to get 1 free night, and who doesn't like free stay, okay? So these apartments, they all come fully furnished. There's 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom apartments ready, waiting for you. They come fully furnished, very, very beautiful. Chic urban furnitures, trust me. Like, as I'm looking at this place, I feel like even moving in here, it is that beautiful. The place is so nice. You can do your photo shoots here. You can do your couples getaway here. For those of you that, if I let this be a call to action, for some of you married people or you people in relationships that you're looking for a way to spice things up, looking for like a getaway, but you have not seen, you guys know that this borrow economy is very hard, okay? You have not finished saving money to go abroad. This is me telling you now, this is a sign. This is where you need to come to. You need to come here. You need to do your couples getaway here. To be honest, this place is beautiful. In fact, a lot of people that are even going abroad, they're not staying in places this beautiful. No jokes. Forget I'm laughing. I'm actually not joking. They're not staying in places this beautiful. This space is a very, very beautiful space, and it deserves all the hype and all the accolades, okay? There is 24 hours light, even the break in transmission, there's inverter, there is solar, so you will not even know. You know Nigeria now, you don't even know when anything is happening. There's 24 hours light, there is good security. If you're staying here, trust me, you're going to feel safe and you're going to be safe. There is fully equipped kitchen, fully furnished home. You guys just take a look at this beauty. That's Oga Baby over there sitting down watching series on TV. But trust me, this should be your go-to apartment. Like I said, endless possibilities. This is where we're going to be chilling on the 27th and vibing and eating and just like playing games and enjoying ourselves. I'm just going to sign off here. I hope you guys consider this place. I hope not just consider, I hope you come and actually book your stay here. Anything I'm doing, trust me, anything I'm doing. In fact, like me and my whole family, we're going to come here for one night and just do like a family vacation. As I'm saying this and I'm shouting it so that my husband in the background will just hear it and come and book for us, okay? I know he's going to do it in Jesus' name. Amen. So anyways, we're going to come here and do our own mini staycation slash, even though I don't like to get anywhere without children, but this kind of place is the perfect place to go with them, to be honest, because you can still lock yourself in your room while they just play in the parlor and hopefully don't damage anything because you will pay. But yes, hope you guys enjoyed this quick tour of this beautiful space.